Hola amigos, wishing you all a very happy and healthy Diwali. And first of all, I would like to congratulate Technical Guruji, aka Mr. Gaurav, on 20 million subs. Officially the biggest tech YouTuber in the world. And that too our Indian. Yeah! Proud of you man. Hats off. And now I would like to tell you about a new series I am starting, VFD Tutorials. This will be a multi-episode series and it will cover aspects from the basic introduction of VFD, what is a VFD, and basic functions to complete installation, complete tutorial on programming of multiple applications, PIDs, torque control, etc. So that's all guys. Take care guys. See you in my next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.